This is Europe, and this is its capital. Wallonia is 3 millimeters away from Brussels, 20 kilometers in reality. So, Wallonia is very close to the second diplomatic center in the world after New York. Wallonia is there, in the middle of everywhere. From here, we can reach almost 60% of the consumers in the global European market within a 5-hour drive. Wallonia has amazing road and train networks, one of the 3 lowest cost airports of the world, and one of the best cargo airports on the planet. Mr. Ernst and Mr. Young say that Belgium is the 5th most attractive country in Europe for foreign investments. And we are lucky. Wallonia is in Belgium. We have lots of grounds and buildings available to expand your business, and they are more affordable than our neighbors. More than 1,500 hectares are waiting for you, in 200 business parks and 7 science parks. This is the right place for business. French, oh no, Belgian fries lovers and beer lovers. We have 1,000 different beers here, but this is another story. In Belgium, we're smart, and we just let the French believe we're stupid. We have 11 nobles, 1 for 1 million people, and 7 are from Wallonia. 13,000 research scientists, 6 universities, 25 competence centers, and a lot of high-skilled workforces available. We have the highest European productivity. On average, Wallon companies make 70% of their turnover in exports, in comparison to other EU countries, which average only 30%. Can you imagine if we had to eat our 220,000 tons of chocolate ourselves? Our corporate tax system could sound complicated, but in fact, it's just smart. Basically, the effective tax charge is between 26 and 28%. And we provide a lot of research and development subsidies, from 50 to 70%. We are the masters of innovation and were appointed European Creative District by the EU. Our secret? Our companies work hand in hand with our universities in 6 different major clusters. We have been selected as Showcase Region Model for the sustainable chemistry. The Belgian motto, Unity makes strength. That's why here, we always join our forces to move forward. To meet each other, we have a lot of clubs and business associations. And golf courses, of course. Wallonia is the birthplace of the saxophone, of the wellness spa, in Spa. We are the biggest exporter of vaccines and billiard balls. We are open to the world. Feel Wallonia. Feel welcome. Feel inspired.